In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this chemistry under the subtopic deliquescent, efflorescent, and hygroscopic compound in salts. Alright, acid, base, and salt. So we're going to practice with 10 questions for this subtopic. Let's get started. The very first question I have here says the property of calcium chloride which makes it useful as a drying agent is that it is option A, deliquescent, a normal salt, a strong electrolyte, ionic. So the right option is what? Option A. The property is that it's deliquescent. Okay, so deliquescent substances or compounds are compounds that absorb water from the atmosphere and form a solution with it. Alright, so is as simple as this. Next simple question is this one. It says salt that contain water of crystallization are said to be. So the right option will be option C, efflorescent. Okay, right option is option C, which is what? Efflorescent. So that's it for this question. The next simple question will be this one. It says substances which absorb water from the atmosphere without dissolving in it are said to be. The right option would be hygroscopic, option C. So hygroscopic compounds, they absorb water from the atmosphere but don't dissolve in it or form a solution. That's it. The next simple question with this one. It says the loss of molecules of water of crystallization to the atmosphere by some crystalline salts is known as. So the right option will be option D, which is efflorescence. Alright, so efflorescence is the loss of water crystallization to the atmosphere. Okay, so that is for this question. Next question will be this one. It says this is copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate. So this is an efflorescent salt. Okay, it loses water of crystallization to the atmosphere. So if this compound can be obtained from an aqueous solution of copper 2 tetraoxo sulfates by, so this question is meant to be this compound can be obtained from the aqueous solution of copper 2 tetraoxo sulfates by. So the right option would be option C, crystallization. Remember, I'm dealing with water crystallization. Okay, option C is the right option. Next, we'll take question with this one. So that before we attend this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you're subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. This question says a compound that could be dried by using conc or concentrated tetraoxo sulfates acid and not by calcium oxide is likely to be. Right option will be acid anhydride. Alright, so acid anhydrides are substances that dissolve in water or react with water to form an acid. Okay, so that's it for this question. Option C, the right option. Next, we'll take question with this one. They say the basic property of salt as a drying agent is hygroscopic. So hygroscopy or hygroscope, option B, the right option. Hygroscopy substances, they absorb water from the atmosphere without forming a solution or dissolving in it. Next, we take question with this one. It says a substance is said to be hygroscopic if it absorbs moisture from the atmosphere without dissolving. Yes, that's the right option. Okay, so it will absorb moisture but it will not dissolve from a solution. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says which of the following compounds absorbs moisture from the atmosphere and dissolves in it? We have iron trichloride, we have potassium chloride, we have magnesium sulfate heptahydrates, we have sodium sulfate. Right option will be option A, iron trichloride. Okay, the last question before we end this video with this one. It says a salt that absorbs moisture from the atmosphere without forming a solution is said to be, I think we have answered this question, is hygroscopic, option B. Had there been a question said a salt that absorbs moisture from the atmosphere and forms a solution. The right option would be option C, Deliquescence. But since it's saying it does not form a solution, it will be hygroscopic. Okay, whereas efflorescence loses water crystallization in the atmosphere. So guys, this is basically can do problems involving efflorescence, deliquescent, and hygroscopic compounds. A subtopic in acid base and salt for your chemistry. We practice with 10 video questions from this video. Hope there's nothing interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to the channel once, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. So tell me how you feel, what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your exams that you'll be writing. Alright, so having known this, click on the next one above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.